Mr. Stan 913 here. No, it is not Christmas. It is still winter. And we're going to Longwood Gardens tonight. We're back at Longwood Gardens. And we're going to see a nighttime light up show or something here. I don't know what this is. Our friends invited us. So we're coming into Longwood Gardens and we're going to see this nighttime light up show at Longwood Gardens. It's tonight. And I hope you can join us. We're getting ready to go in to see the lights in Longwood Gardens. Not Christmas lights, just lights at Longwood Gardens. I don't know what this is. I'll let you know in a minute once I find out from my friends. But we're back at Longwood. It's still winter. We're close to spring, but it is cold tonight. Why don't you join me out? It's called Garden Glow. And here's the gift shop here at Longwood Gardens if you've ever been here. But this thing is called Garden Glow, and we're going into Longwood Gardens at night to see Garden Glow. So again, why don't you join me? We're going into the observatory to see Garden Glow. So there's the observatory over there. You remember when we were here during Christmas, the holidays, all these trees were lit up with lights. But look, they take them all off. It's amazing. So we're headed over there to the observatory. Yeah, the daffodils are out. Look. It's just so pretty at night. Ooh. Good. Out to the other observatory in here to see the Garden Glow inside here. We're outside. We're going to go in here and check this out. Look at this. So pretty. Longwood Gardens right before spring. We're a few weeks before spring here in Longwood Gardens. Look at that. That's so pretty.
I thought there was way more than that.
We're going to leave here now. We're going to continue probably into the back to the main greenhouse. But this is just so pretty. Look at this here. Look at these. Isn't that pretty? Inside here, this is like, I call this the hot room. It's like almost like the Amazon. But we're going to go inside there. It's actually not cold tonight. It's called the Cascade Garden. This is where we're going in. Look at that. Distance is the castle there. This is where they do the lighting at night. But right now they have bubbles. And you see the bubbles lifting up through the lights. We're going to walk down and check that out. But this is so pretty. Look at this at night out here. Looking along here, they have heaters for people to sit out. But we're going to get close to the bubbles here. Look at this. These are actual bubbles down here.
I'm sure it's prettier down there.
Can't really see them in the light. So they have these machines here. The bubbles are coming out. Look at that. These machines are right here pumping the bubbles out. And they shine the lights on the bubbles at night. And you get this little illumination.
You go and let me. Got the perfect shot. You gotta get the light here. This is the perfect one. Okay. Do it right here.
We're back in the greenhouse. Up in the front, we're going to go on to the right. But look how pretty this is. into the bonsai room, and we're going to check out the bonsais. Seeking light, the bonsai illuminated. So they
She spent more than 150 years in the wild before being collected. So there's like 200 years old.
This room is the orchids, all orchids in here. You see. There's Longwood Gardens near the beginning of spring. We only have a few more days until spring, but this was Garden Glow. I hope you liked it. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Longwood Gardens. Garden Glow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.